Hello everyone and welcome to Sally and Bytes. Today, I am here to teach Data File Handling, Part 10, for the Class 12 students of Computer Science. In this video, we are going to learn writing to a CSV file with practical implementation. So, let's dive in and get started. Like other files, text file and binary files, in Python, there are two basic operations that can be carried out on a CSV file. First one is reading from a CSV file, and the second one is writing to a CSV file. We have already discussed about reading from a CSV file in the previous video Data File Handling Part 9. Now in this video, let's discuss about how to write to a CSV file. Let's discuss about the writing to a CSV file. CSV module. The key points about writing to a CSV file in Python using CSV.writer function in a concise format are: the first key point is the CSV module. Python provides a CSV module for working with comma-separated values, CSV, files. Second key point. Create writer object. To write to a CSV file, you first create a writer object using the CSV.writer function. This writer object is used to convert data into a delimited string suitable for CSV format. Third key point is writeRow method. The writeRow method of the writer object allows you to write a list of fields to the CSV file. These fields can be strings, numbers, or a mix of both. Fourth key point is automated line endings, that is no EOL, end of line, needed. You don't need to manually add a new line character or other end-of-line indicators to indicate the end of a line when using writeRow. The method takes care of this for you, ensuring each row ends correctly. Fifth key point is the delimiter. By default, the CSV writer uses a comma symbol as the delimiter to separate values in the CSV file. You can specify a different delimiter by providing the delimiter parameter when creating the writer object. Let's see an example. Write a Python program to write data onto student.csv file using the writeRow method. Now, look at the Python code. This Python code is used to write student data into a CSV, comma-separated values, file. The CSV file will contain information about students, such as their name, class, year, and percentage. Here's an explanation of each part of the code. Now, look at line 3, importing the CSV module. This line imports the Python CSV module, which provides functionality for working with CSV files. In line 5, we are defining the fields list. This list contains the column headings or field names for the CSV file. In this case, it includes name, class, year, and percent. In line 7 to 11, we are defining the rows list. This list contains the data to be written to the CSV file. Each element of this list is a list itself, representing a row of data. Each inner list contains the student's information, including name, class, year, and percentage. In line 13, we are specifying the file name. This variable stores the name of the CSV file you want to create or write to. In this case, it's set to studentmarks.csv. In line 15, we are opening the CSV file for writing. The with open, file name, W, new line equals space, as F:. This line opens the CSV file specified by file name in write mode, W. The new line equals space argument ensures that the file uses the default new line character for your operating system. In line 18, we are creating a CSV writer object. The CSV.writer function is used to create a CSV writer object named CSV_W. It specifies the file object F and sets the delimiter to a comma. In line 20, we are writing the field names. The CSV_W.writeRow of fields line writes the field names, column headings, to the CSV file. In line 21 and 23, we are writing data rows. The for loop iterates through the rows list and writes each row of student data to the CSV file using CSV_w.writeRow I. In line 24, we are printing a confirmation message. Finally, the code prints file created to indicate that the CSV file has been successfully created and populated with student data. After running this code, you will have a CSV file named studentmarks.csv in the same directory as your Python script containing the student data in a structured format that can be easily read and processed using spreadsheet software. Now, you can look at the output. In the Python output, you can see file created message. Now, to view the contents of studentmarks.csv, you have to open the Excel sheet with the name studentmarks, which is created new. You can see the student details displayed here. To be more clear, the Python script as well as the content created on the Excel spreadsheet are displayed here. You can check the contents of student marks of the spreadsheet given as per the code. Thanks for watching. Watch the upcoming videos, Data Structures in Python, Part 1 Introduction of Data Structures, Stack. You can check the link in the description box given below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Sally and Bytes to stay updated with engaging content and never miss out on my latest videos.